Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, it's time to explore our number of the day. What will it be? Let's look and see. It's the number 13. Today we'll explore lots of ways to show and represent 13. So let's get learning. Let's begin by having a close look at 13. It's a two-digit number, a 1 and a 3. Now pointing fingers in the air, let's write the numeral 13. Fingers ready? 1, 3, 13. Let's record lots of ways to show 13, starting with the numeral. Are you ready to clap the syllables in 13? Clap with me. Ready? 13. 2 syllables. Now let's use our fists as we say the syllables again. Ready? 13. What's the first syllable? Thir. And the next one? Teen. The teen in 13 gives us a clue that there's a 10 in this number. Now let's have a go at spelling 13. 13 is spelt T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Spell it with me. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Now that we know the numeral and the word, let's find 13 on the number line. Can you spot 13 on the number line? Here it is. What number comes before 13? And what number comes after 13? Alright, let's start from 0 and count to 13. Point along with your finger. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's time to explore with our collection of 13 objects. Have you got yours close by? We'll pause it here and come back with your objects. If you're watching first, then join me as we count my connecting cubes. Let's check we have 13 cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A great way to organise bigger numbers is by using 10 frames. Now 13 is bigger than 10, so we're going to need 2 10 frames. Organise your collection of 13 into 10 frames while I organise mine. What do you notice? 13 is a full 10 frame and then 3 more. 10 and 3 is 13. Let's have another look at our numeral 13, a 1 and a 3. The 3 represents these 3. So what does the 1 represent? It represents this full 10 frame, one group of 10. This is the teen clue in 13. Well, now that we know that 13 is made up of a 10 and 3, let's have another look at our number line. Let's use a faster way to reach 13 without counting by ones. We know that 13 is 10 and 3 more. So let's start with one big jump to 10. How many smaller steps will get us to 13? 1, 2, 3. 10 and 3. Count with me as we start at 10 and count on. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13. Check out my 13 craft sticks. Now, just like we can represent a group of 10 on a 10 frame, we can represent a group of 10 as a bundle like this. So I have one group of 10 and 3 more. This is another way to show 13. In the same way, I've connected my connecting cubes into one tower of 10 and 3. 10 and 3. What number? 13. Well, we know about 10 and 3. I wonder what other numbers could combine to make 13. I'm going to break my block tower somewhere to find 2 other numbers. You could try this with your collection. Let's see. How about here? I still have 13. I've just made 2 parts. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this part. And how many in this part? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 9 make 13. This is another way to represent 13 using addition. Let's record it. Here's another way to split 13. 6 and 7 make 13. Have a go at splitting your collection into 2 parts. Find as many combinations as you can that can make 13. Okay, next, let's represent 13 using tally marks. As I draw my tallies, you could draw along on your whiteboard or draw along with your finger in the air. And remember to draw a line across at each group of 5. Pointing fingers ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many tally groups do you see? Now, let's try to make equal groups with 13. The word equal means the same. I wonder if there is a way to make equal groups with 13. Let's start with making 2 groups. This will be one group and this will be another. I want to be accurate, so I'll move one block into each group at a time to keep them equal. I've tried to make 2 equal groups, but is it possible? I have 2 equal groups of 6, but I have 1 more. Adding block 13 will make the groups unequal. I've tried to make 2 equal block towers using 13, but have a look. Are they equal? No, this one's missing a pair. Now, if a number can't make 2 equal groups or rows, it is called an odd number. Let's count my blocks by 2s until we get close to 13. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and one more, 13, our odd number. Well, we can't make 2 equal groups with 13. Let's try making 3 equal groups with 13. Here are my 3 groups, and I'm making sure I keep the groups equal as I move my cubes. But look, are all 3 groups equal? No. We can't make 3 equal groups with 13. 13 seems like a tricky number. I wonder if we can make any equal groups with 13. Try making equal groups and find out. It's time to get the playing cards out. Let's find more number combinations. Can you find 2 cards that combine to make 13? Here are 2 cards that I found, 5 and 8. Let's count them to be sure. Now 8 is the bigger number, so let's count on. What comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's have another look at the playing cards. Here's a challenge. Can you find 3 cards that make 13? Pause it here and try your best. As well as 3 playing cards, we could find 13 by rolling dice. I've rolled 5 and 6. What number will I need on another die to make 13? Well, we sure have found lots of ways to show 13. Let's have another look at our board. As you can see, numbers are much more than just numerals on a number line. We know that the numeral 13 represents 1 10 and 3 more. Here's the 10 and 3. And here and here, all showing 13. We also know that 13 cannot be split into 2 equal parts, and that makes it an odd number. And of course, 13 is made of smaller parts that add to make 13. These playing cards are showing that 5 and 8 make 13. And these 3 dice show 13 as 5, 6, and 2. And don't forget our 13 tallies, 5, 5, and 3. Well, now that we've discovered so much about 13, it's your turn to represent 13. You could use some of the ideas we've shared today and then come up with some of your own. And remember, be on the lookout for 13 all around you. You might find it at the shops, on a calendar, on clocks, or even on a mailbox. Enjoy representing 13. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.